ChatGPT is amazing, but what if I told you there are AI tools out there that can do video editing, coding, research, graphic design, even your homework, automatically? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI tools like ChatGPT that are free and game-changing in 2025. Welcome back to MinimalCoder. I'm Dipanjan, and in this AI course series, we're learning how to master AI tools that are revolutionizing everything. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the future. First up, Claude AI from Anthropic. Think of it as ChatGPT's thoughtful cousin. Claude is super safe, detailed, and writes long documents beautifully. Here's how it works. Just upload a long PDF, and Claude can summarize it into 3 key points in seconds. It even writes a professional email from that summary for you. It's amazing for writing, summarizing, and deep reasoning, and it's now available for free on Claude AI. Next is Gemini, formerly Bard from Google. It's deeply integrated with YouTube, Gmail, and Drive, making it a real productivity booster. For example, you can ask it to summarize my Gmail, and Gemini will generate a to-do list right from your inbox. Or click on a YouTube video and get instant bullet point summaries. If you live in Google's ecosystem, Gemini is the assistant you never knew you needed. Third is Perplexity AI, the Google plus ChatGPT combo. It not only answers your questions, but instantly shows you the sources, so you can double-check everything. Imagine you're a student asking, "Explain quantum computing for beginners." Perplexity gives you a simple answer plus 5 clickable sources. Perfect for research, students, or anyone tired of fake AI facts. Plus, no login needed. At number 4, Poe by Quora. Here's the cool part. It gives you access to GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and more, all in one app. You can literally choose between different AI models and see their answers side by side. It's like a buffet of AI brains. Great if you love testing answers across models. Finally, we have Microsoft Copilot, now inside Word, Excel, and even Windows 11. In Excel, it can write formulas automatically. In Word, it auto-generates a proposal from your bullet points. And in Windows, it can summarize all your browser tabs. If you use Microsoft 365, this tool will save hours of work daily. And a quick bonus, Leonardo AI. This is like Mid-Journey plus Canva. Perfect for creating thumbnails, posters, and digital art. No design skills needed. Just type something like Cyberpunk AI girl with neon background and boom, your thumbnail is auto-generated. So there you go. 5 amazing AI tools that go beyond ChatGPT, and all of them are free or freemium. Tell me in the comments, which one surprised you the most? If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to MinimalCoder for more AI magic. Episode 7 is next, where I'll show you free tools to make your own AI YouTube videos like this one.